What's up guys, and welcome back to B4Crypto. In today's video we're going to find out, are we going to break through this level of $22,200 because at the moment we are getting some resistance in this area just underneath the 61.8 and also directly at the 100 moving average. So guys, we're going to find out, are we going to see a massive pump for Bitcoin and break back into this range? Or are we going to see a rejection in these areas and potentially come back to the 38.2? We're going to find out all of that in this video, guys. And we're also going to look at the trade that I made yesterday. And guys, I posted this trade in my free Telegram group. And guys, if you want to join my free Telegram group to get these major Bitcoin long and short signals and even altcoins, follow my free Telegram group in the video description below. Guys, and we're also going to look at the total crypto market and we're going to find out, are we seeing any bullish indication for Bitcoin and the whole crypto market? But guys, before we're going to start this video, we're going to go over to Twitter because guys, I'm doing a Bitcoin giveaway of $50. So guys, if you want to be a part of this Bitcoin giveaway of $50, first, join my YouTube channel by subscribing to this channel, and second, open an account on Bitget where you can also receive a deposit bonus up to $4,163. And guys, thirdly, share this post on any social media account and tag me. So guys, make sure to be a part of this free giveaway because guys, you get an account on Bitget where you receive a deposit bonus and also you receive a bonus by just completing the KYC, and you have the chance to win $50 in Bitcoin, which I will directly transfer in your account on Bitget. And that's why it's also very important that you have to sign up with my Bitget link to be a part of this giveaway. And I will draw the winner on Saturday, where one member that has signed up with my referral link will receive $50 in Bitcoin. So guys, make sure to follow my link in the video description below or visit all of my social media accounts. So guys, make sure to watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe. And now let's start with the video. Welcome back to B4Crypto, and guys, first of all, before we're going to start with the video, I want to thank you all for smashing up the like button and subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate each one of you. And now we're going to go over to my Telegram group where I posted this exact trade. And guys, you can see that this was a Bitcoin long entry and I saw that we're going to bounce off from this trend line. And guys, we're going to go over to the charts and we're going to first look at this Bitcoin trade. So guys, on the 1 hour chart, you can see that I've posted this trade exactly here with an entry price round about the level of 21,753 to all the way down at 21,650. So guys, you had this range where you could have entered this long position and we had our stop loss way down here, but we have pulled our stop loss all the way up to our entry point, and that means that this trade is totally risk-free. And we have our price target of round about 22,630, and that is also where the Fibonacci retracement level, the 61.8 is. So guys, we're going to first go on the daily chart to find out what we can see from this price movement. And exactly here you can see we have the 61.8, where also the price target is from our trade. And guys, I could expect, because at the moment we are at the 100 moving average on the daily chart, that we are facing a little bit of resistance in these areas. Because guys, if we go over to the left, we can also see that before Bitcoin had a lot of resistance and support in these areas. We had support, so then it turned into resistance, support, then we broke through, and then it was support again in these regions. So guys, we can clearly expect that we are getting some resistance in these areas. But guys, I could expect that we're going to pump through the 61.8 and get some resistance at this bottom trend line from this range that we have formed for a very long time, guys. And then we could consolidate in the areas of the 61.8 until we're going to see the next move, maybe in form of a W, all the way up back into this range, all the way to the 78.6. But guys, then we have to see if Bitcoin can break through and consolidate in these regions. So guys, then we could expect a bullish move from these areas. If we manage to break through this area and also to form a new high that would really be bullish for Bitcoin. We could reach price targets of 28,000 US dollars. If we're going to see a massive pump, we could easily reach the 30,000 US dollar level. And guys, we're also going to go over to the weekly chart to really find out where we are at the moment of the total crypto market. And we're also going to go on the weekly chart for Bitcoin, because guys, if we break a certain level, we could really be in a bullish stand for Bitcoin and we could reach extreme heights. And guys, we're going to find out all of that on the weekly chart. But guys, remember to go down in the video description below and follow my giveaway of 50 US dollar in Bitcoin. So guys, make sure to follow my link and also to get an account with Bitget. And guys, I'm also going to do a tutorial in the upcoming days so that you know how to open and set your trade on the spot and the leverage market. So guys, let's go over to the weekly chart of Bitcoin. First, we're going to look at the total crypto market. And at the moment, guys, you can see for the total crypto market, we are still over the 200 moving average on the weekly chart. And that is quite bullish. Also, we can see that we broke the 13 EMA on the weekly chart towards the upside, and it looks like that we are finding some support in these regions. But guys, if we look at the whole structure of this market, we can see that the total crypto market is forming some kind of W, and if we're going to reach these levels of 1.14 trillion US dollars for the whole cryptocurrency market, then we could see a massive move towards the upside and reach maybe the level of 1.6 trillion. And that would really be big for the crypto market, guys. And look at where we are on the charts, guys. So guys, now we're going to go over on the weekly chart for Bitcoin and compare these movements. And guys, look at this. We are at the moment underneath the 200 moving average on the weekly chart for Bitcoin. But guys, we are forming the same structure. And if we're breaking out towards the upside, we could reach the same levels like with the total crypto market. We could come all the way up to the 100 moving average on the weekly chart, guys. And that would mean that we would reach price targets of up to 40,000 US dollar in Bitcoin. And guys, that is quite bullish for Bitcoin. And I really do believe that we're going to see this move towards the upside. Because guys, at the moment it looks quite bullish, because it looks like if we have formed the bottom, because guys, firstly, we never came back to the previous all-time high, to these levels of 19,000 US dollars, and that is historically the first. But guys, at the moment we are forming a double bottom, and that is quite bullish. And guys, could this be the bottom for Bitcoin? Yes, I really do believe so. I think we're going to see a strong move for Bitcoin towards the upside, reaching these levels and maybe coming back all the way down to these levels again until we're going to see the next bull run start. But guys, from these small movements and these movements up to maybe 40 or 50,000, we can make a lot of profit, guys, because if we take it from the breakout point to a level of, let's say, 40,000 US dollars, we would have a percentage gain of 61%. And that is quite good compared to all other investments that you find in stocks, real estate, and whatsoever compared to the short time frame. So guys, it is really important that you hold your Bitcoin. And once again, guys, open your account on Bitget where you receive a major deposit bonus and you have a chance to win the 50 US dollars from my Bitcoin giveaway. So guys, follow these simple steps. You'll find them in the video description below. But guys, now we're going to go back on the 1 hour chart for Bitcoin and we're going to find out what is our trade doing at the moment. And guys, at the moment you can see that Bitcoin is consolidating in these regions of 2,200 US dollars. But guys, the overall situation at the moment is still quite bullish. I think that we'll consolidate in these areas or even come back to this trend line. But guys, you can see that our stop loss is way down here. So guys, you can see that our trade is quite safe in these regions, but that doesn't mean that we're going to see this bounce in these regions or go up from here. We could also break this level towards the downside. But guys, if we're going to break this level, I could expect that we're going to go down all the way to the 21,000 US dollar level. But guys, at the moment, I'm still quite bullish until we're going to break this trend line. But guys, I think that we have a high possibility that we are going to reach the 61.8 and also our price target from this trade. But guys, I'm going to wait until this trade is either going to be closed or it's going to hit our stop loss until I'm going to open the next trade. So guys, this is your opportunity to sign up to Bitget and also to receive your 50 US dollar from this giveaway so that you can open the next trade that I will post in my free Telegram group. So guys, if you like this content, smash up the like button and subscribe, and we see each other in the next video. you have to be for crypto.